Hey y'all, how's it going? Okay, so today's story is going to be animals in national parks. Who remembers Fat Bear Week? I think that was like my favorite. So, people are traveling less now. People are not visiting U.S. national parks. Animals still live in the national parks. Park rangers still work in the national parks. Park rangers see more animals now. I wonder what they're seeing. Some park rangers work in Yosemite National Park. Yosemite National Park is in California. Park rangers see more black bears, coyotes, and bobcats. Some animals walk on the streets. Could you imagine? Man, be scared if you walked up on a black bear. Well, I hope y'all are having the best day. I love y'all and I miss y'all. See you soon.